Hey, how's it going, Augie? Orlando with Soaring SEO. We spoke on the phone a little bit earlier today, so I appreciate you taking my call and I appreciate you clicking on this video. In this video, man, I simply just want to show you guys three things that you guys are able to implement yourself to get you guys more customers through the door. And now you're probably asking why, right? Why would I be sending you guys a video like this? All it is, man, is I've simply seen a lot of business owners don't have the time to come in here, see what the internet does and how digital marketing can really work for you guys. And impact the growth of a business. And I've seen that even when it's time to outsource, there's a huge hesitation because nobody knows who the expert is and who isn't. Everybody kind of claims to be the expert, and I've seen that by giving a video like this with it's just an informative video that has tips and tricks you guys are able to implement. Um, has resulted in some of these companies coming back and saying, hey, you know what, Orlando, we don't have the time. Would you be able to do this for us? So, Augie, if you like, by the end of this video, you like what you've heard, send me a message and we'll chat. Or if you simply just want to do these things and integrate it yourself, that is absolutely fine with me. All I ask for is a review on how I did on this video. So, let's get right into it. The three things that I want to talk about, Augie, is content, citation, and backlinks. Those will be the three most important things that you're going to want to focus on. And that's what Google is going to come in here and rank your page on. Now, content, like they say, content is king, and with Google, it is a huge thing. What we've seen, the average website on that home page, on the first page of Google, when someone types in someone, the ones that have the most authority down here have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on there, and that is going to be including pictures and videos. So just from looking at your page already, though, you guys have plenty of content. You guys have a lot of content actually. So we'll just have to look at what type of content you have in there and how much exactly you have. You guys have a good layout. You guys have book online right away, so it's a call to action right away, giving you guys a potential turnaround on a future customer. You guys provide a lot of services in a lot of different areas, so that's really good. So in general, on your design, I know you said you work with somebody. So in general, this whole layout looks really good. It looks clean. You guys can see the guys you guys work with, Carrier, Goodman, Train, all that. A little bit of information on the ductwork, on your services you guys provide. So on that, it's good, but Google doesn't care about that. They don't care what it looks like, the pictures, whatever it doesn't care. It cares the type of content that it has. Because obviously it wants to know that you guys are an expert on your topic and it wants to have that authority over it. So if we come in here and we grab all this content to see exactly how much it is that you do have, you can see here that you have, let's see, so you have over 1,500 words on there. So that's good. You're getting close to that goal, but what you really want to aim for is that 2,000 mark, just so you can really blow the rest of your competition out of the water. And with you guys having so much content, what that's going to tell me now, considering you guys aren't ranked up in this first page, it's just telling me that you guys don't have the adequate content and the type of content that you guys necessarily need in order to really target the customers you guys are looking for. So with keywords or key phrases, all it is just well, somebody would type in here on the search bar when they're going into Google. So if we could see here, I did air conditioning repair Lubbock, Texas. That alone is getting 140 searches every single month. So by you guys not being on this front page, nobody's gonna see that nice website you guys have. Nobody. So we can see here it's nowhere to be found on that homepage. So when you guys are adding in that content, I would just highly suggest to add that in there a couple times. And like I said, it is going to be including pictures and videos. So we come in here and we look at some of these pictures and what they're saved as. You can see, yep. So you can see that they're just saved at random, and that's going to be probably for the majority of them. As far as I can tell. So maybe even just coming in here and naming those, a couple of those air conditioning repair Lubbock, Texas, maybe another one, and some of these other places, South Lake, that you guys are, Fort Worth, all these places that you guys are really providing service for, in that and just in that general area. You want to really add in keywords and key phrases that are going to get you found in those areas. Second thing that I want to talk about now going into this Google page is this map area, Google Map Pack. This is where citations are going to come in here, and if you want to get yourself ranked on here, you're going to have to get more citations than the rest of your competition, and that's the name of the game. All a citation is the name of your company, the address, and the phone number. Now, you're trying to get citation or contact information in as many directories as possible. And now, an example of some of these bigger directories would be like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Page, White Page, Yelp, local Yahoo. I know all those would be those are all bigger platforms that if you're not already on there, I would highly suggest to get yourself on there. But not only just getting those, but like I said, getting the ones that your competition has, getting more citations than your competition has, like Bruce Thorne has, and kind of doing like a copycat method because you want to get the citations that they have, because if it's good enough to rank them in this top three on this first page, it's going to be good enough for you guys, and that's kind of where you want to head. And we'll talk about that here in a second. I'll even show you a tool that I use personally to show the competition and what they got going on. This third area here is where backlinks are going to come in here. And now all a backlink is just like a big popularity contest. Google is just a huge popularity contest. Excuse me. Um, and what you want to do is, so like site A is going to play as the power, as the link juice, like we call it, and that's going to be the website that you want to go out and grab. That's going to give you a link on their website going back to your page, site B, and that's going to give you the authority and the power in Google's eyes. But keep this in mind, not all backlinks and citations are created equal. So you really want to watch the type of backlinks that you have on there, the quality of backlinks that you have on there. So an example of something you don't want to go out and grab is, say you guys do maintenance for like a restaurant, and they give you guys a link going back to your homepage saying you guys are a reliable HVAC company. Google's going to see that and is going to pick up on that and see that you guys aren't in the restaurant game. You guys are an HVAC company. So it's not going to give you the authority and the power that it would have if, per se, you guys got a backlink from like a general contractor that maybe you guys worked for in the past, contractors, maybe an adjacent HVAC company in Fort Worth or Tech or Dallas or whatever the case is, something like that. That would give you the necessary power and the necessary authority in Google's eyes to get you guys ranked up a lot higher and really blow your competition out of the water. And with the backlinks, is going to be the exact same thing. You really want to see what your competition has going on here. Um, See what they have, because obviously if it's good enough to rank them in here, it's going to be good enough for you. What we'll look at here, this tool that I have here is called Ahrefs. It's a great tool. You do have to pay for it, but there's plenty of tools out there that you don't necessarily have to pay, and they're absolutely free to that really show you the websites are linking back to the links, the backlinks, and the keywords that you're getting found for. So here you can see here that you have 35 websites going back to your website, and that's giving you 260 backlinks, and you're getting found for 87 keywords. So, but you guys are only getting 2 visits every single month. So what that's telling me is, although you guys have a beautiful website, no one's seeing it, and a lot has to do with the type of keywords that you guys have and the keywords that you have. And that's going back to some of those keywords that we were even talking about earlier. As you can see here, is I can go based off positioning on, so you guys really aren't ranked in that. So you guys aren't ranked in that first page at all in general. So that needs to really change, and getting you guys the quality of keywords that you guys really need in order to get you guys ranked up higher. So a lot of these keywords that you guys are getting found for really aren't necessarily anything that's going to be beneficial for you guys. So you can see here, plug and box function, my air, what does RTU stand for in HVAC, supply in Fort Worth. So all those aren't going to be um, they're not helping you at all. So when you guys are writing up this new content, you guys really want to add in the locations you guys want, the areas that you guys really want to focus on, and the type of service that you guys provide. That way you get found for the adequate and the right keywords that you're trying to get found for. So if you come in here and we look at some, this is Thornton's that we have here. So you can see here that they have 189 websites linking back to them, giving them over 1,000 backlinks, and they're getting found for 2.3K keywords, and they're getting plenty of visits every single month. So if we come in here, and not only, and we can do this for the keywords, for the backlinks, and the citation. That's really what you want to do, is see what your competition has going on. You're not reinventing the wheel or anything like that. So you want to see what's working for them. It's going to work for you. And you can see here the type of keywords that they have. They're a little bit different, and you can see the type of things that they're really focusing on, and the ones that they're really um, trying to get for. And so you can see jobs hiring in Lubbock, water efficiency. Let's see. So they got some plumbing going on here, plumbing keywords. And if we keep going down the list, you're going to be able to see what they have going on and what's really working for them. Um, and you're going to be able to do this. So you can see here, Lubbock Air Conditioning Services, they're ranked #1 for that. Lubbock Air Conditioning, Thorn Air Conditioning, let's see, Lubbock Air Conditioning Services. So they're ranked #1 for all of these different keywords, and that's why they're really getting found. And that's why you can see them on this Bruce Thorn, and you can see them down here on this first page here. Actually, that's not them, that's them right here. So they're ranked #4 in general, going down this list. So if you're kind of recapping everything, Augie. Content 15 to 2,000 words. You guys are close, so I would head for that 2,000. Really blow your competition out of the water. Add those quality of keywords and key phrases so you can really get found, and so people can really start seeing that beautiful website that you guys do have. Citation wise, Facebook, LinkedIn, Yahoo, all of those would be great, and get the ones that your competition has, not just Bruce Thornton, but Hard as well, and Snow Bear. And like I said, there's plenty of tools out there that are absolutely free that you can go in there and check all the stuff. Backlinks, popularity contest. You really need to watch the type of backlinks that you're getting. Um, Augie, that kind of wraps everything up. The faster you guys start doing this, the faster that you guys are going to see yourself ranking. You're going to start seeing yourself in this first page. If not, man, if like I said at the beginning of the video, you guys can do this all on your own. But if not, if you guys just want to save yourself the time and the headache, and you guys want me to redo this website, add in the quality of content that you guys really need, and start adding those citations and backlinks to get you guys ranked, send me a message or give me a call 719-924-7601. I look forward to speaking with you again, Augie. Have a good one.